Welcome to the best picks. The best polishing compounds is probably one of the most crucial steps in achieving a flawless finish on any surface. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the nuances of these compounds can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of polishing and rubbing compounds, exploring their uses, and helping you choose the perfect one for your next project. Number 5. Chemical Guys OG Clay Bar and Lubricant Kit. Want a super smooth surface for your car? This kit helps create an ultra-slippery surface. It makes it easier to remove all the nasty stuff stuck on your car. Want to save money on detailing products? This kit helps extend the life of your clay bar. Using this kit is a cost-effective choice for regular maintenance. Worried about scratches? This kit safely removes contaminants without causing any. It's designed to decontaminate your car's paint, glass, and trim. Want your car to shine like new? Using this clay bar restores a glass smooth feel. It enhances the shine and prepares your paint for protection. Looking for a great gift? This kit is perfect for car enthusiasts. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves keeping their car spotless. What we like. This kit creates an ultra-slippery surface, making it easy to remove embedded contaminants. It also extends the life of your clay bar, saving you money in the long run. If you're looking to restore a glass smooth feel to your car's paint and prepare it for waxing, this is the perfect choice. What people say. After washing the car, the clay bar gives you instant satisfaction of a slick smooth paint surface. Chemical Guys make a good product, and their clay bar and solution package is a good example of that. Easy to use and works really well. It got all the rust specks out with minimal effort. Afterwards I washed the truck and applied Jet Seal. My 4-year-old truck shines better than new. Number 4. Chemical Guys VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. Are you tired of scratches and swirls on your car? This one-step polish is easy to use. It cuts strong to remove imperfections and finishes with a mirror shine. This product restores a lustrous, scratch-free finish. It doesn't just cover up the imperfections, it eliminates them, leaving your car looking its best. For light to moderate scratches, this is the perfect one-step solution. It works like a compound and finishes like a polish, saving you time and product. Car enthusiasts choose Chemical Guys for a reason. They offer top-quality products, excellent customer support, and a wealth of detailing knowledge. It's more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle. This product is suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, RVs, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your detailing needs. What we like. This product is designed to cut strong and deliver a mirror finish in just one step. It saves you time and product, making it perfect for light to moderate swirl marks and scratches. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to restore your car's shine, this is the ideal solution. What people say. I then took out my polisher and VSS and began taking off my scratches and swirls. There are tons of videos on YouTube from Chemical Guys to teach you how to properly do this, so I will skip the lesson. I did use the orange Hex Logic cutting pad. After working in small areas and taking my time very slowly, I worked panel by panel, and I was happy with the little fatigue I experienced from using the machine. At the very end of the day, it didn't feel like I used the polisher for the 5 hours that I did total. Very impressed. I bugged off the polish per the instructions and wait time and was left with an incredibly glass-like surface that eliminated all of the imperfections of the paint. Applying this stuff was a bit like performing an ancient ritual. I carefully dabbed it onto the affected areas of my truck, feeling like a knight polishing his armor before a grand quest. The paste itself has a consistency that reminded me of smooth, luxurious frosting, minus the calories and with way more car care prowess. The scratches and swirls began disappearing faster than my excuses for not washing the truck. The effect was almost immediate. My one scratched up beast now looked like it had just rolled out of a spa day, with a shine that screamed, "I'm too fabulous for parking lots." Number 3. Chemical Guys V-Line Polish and Compound Sample Kit. This kit offers a complete range of products, from heavy-duty compounds to light polishes. It provides everything you need to achieve a flawless finish on your vehicle. This kit effectively eliminates heavy scratches and swirl marks. It utilizes V32 and V34 compounds to remove imperfections and restore the surface. Use V36 and V38 polishes to refine the gloss and clarity of your car's paint. This is perfect for newer cars or after compounding to achieve a brilliant shine. The kit features microabrasive technology. This ensures precision and clarity in the restoration process, delivering professional-grade results. The kit is formulated without fillers, so what you see is what you get. It guarantees genuine and lasting results, ensuring the quality of the finish. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a flawless finish, from heavy-duty compounds to light polishes. It effectively tackles scratches and swirl marks, and enhances shine and clarity. If you like to have a comprehensive solution for various paint correction needs, you should consider this kit. What people say. Easy to use, especially with a debuffer which is newer than the traditional rotating. One pass removed 90% of the scratches. Second pass, they were 99% removed. I used the V34 polish with the Porter Cable 7424 XPDA that I purchased in CG Orange Hex Pad. I buffed out all scratches from the hood of my wife's 2003 Corolla, then followed up with the white Hex Pad V36 then V38 polish. Wow! Looks like new again. Number 2. Chemical Guys C4 Clear Cut Correction Compound. This is the ultimate paint restorer. It cuts deep into paint to remove scratches, swirls, acid rain marks, etching, and hologram. You can follow up with Chemical Guys P4 polish for perfect results. This compound achieves amazing results in half the time of other products. It was developed to deliver fast-cutting paint correction without long work times. It is designed for tremendous results in the shortest time possible. This maintains a consistent cut from start to finish for ultimate control and predictability. The superior heavy cut compound delivers consistent results every time. Other heavy cutting compounds produce copious amounts of dust and debris, adding work time to your job. This product produces virtually zero dust while delivering amazing results to your paint. Unlike heavy-duty abrasive compounds that leave a significant amount of micromarring and compounding swirls, this is developed to finish to perfection. What we like. This compound cuts deep to remove scratches, swirls, and other imperfections, achieving amazing results quickly. It finishes to perfection, unlike other heavy-duty compounds. If you have a car with significant paint defects and want a fast, effective solution, you should choose this one. What people say. I've researched so many videos on how to do a two-step paint correction between clay bar, cut polish, and your favorite ceramic coat or sealants, just unbelievable results. I have a 49 Ford and use this to remove swirls from buffing after wet sanding. This product was great. Took out all the small scratches and imperfections. Number 1. 3M Super Duty Rubbing Compound 05954, 1QT. This compound offers an economical solution with a high cut rate. It's designed to efficiently remove imperfections, making it a great choice for various applications. It helps to remove scratches on automotive and marine paint and gel coat surfaces. This product refines the surface, leaving it looking smooth and refreshed. This product cuts through oxidation on weathered paints and gel coats. It helps to restore the finish, bringing back the original shine. It effortlessly removes imperfections. The long wet time and high cut rate make the process easier and more efficient. Please note that this product is intended for industrial and occupational use only. It is not for consumer sale or use. What we like. This compound delivers a high cut rate and effortlessly removes imperfections. It cuts through oxidation to restore the finish. If you are looking for an economical and effective solution for removing scratches and oxidation, this is the product for you. What people say. Best compound for gel coat hands down. Finally got to use it. After watching a YouTube video, it brought back the color of the fiberglass boat easily, removing all the contamination and oxidation. Product arrived on time, did a great job. Got rid of the scratches, ready for me to use swirl remover and polish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.